My name is Gaborot. I am the technical officer for the Papa Air-based road and pavement improvements project, and I work for the NATO Airlift Management Program Infrastructure and Facility Management branch as a project supporter. The value of the project was above $2 million. The project was initiated by the Ministry of Defense and the Papa Airbase and the STEC program together based on a sales agreement between the NATO Support and Procurement Agency and the Hungarian Ministry of Defense. It's been a 2 years project already, including the design phase and the requirement definitization. And the project scope was to improve the previous road conditions and to provide better, safe and secure traffic conditions on base for the bicycle and vehicle traffic as well. During the summertime, sometimes in a rainy period on the green field, we had a lot of implications. Considering the tremendous works what we completed so far with all the participants, including the designer, the construction contractor, the Papa Airbase, the end users, the authorities, and also the agency who provided the technical support for this project. All these works, we believe, paid off and would be satisfying the end users and the program for the rest of the life of the program.